Hey everybody, Steph here. I'm about to go to the grocery store and pick up a couple of items. I have a grocery budget of $50 for today. Let me know if you think I can do it. Put it in the comments and make sure you watch the rest of the video for my money saving tips. Hey guys, so we're at the store and number one tip is if you have kids, leave them at home if at all possible because kids will distract you. They're going to, I want this, I want that, mama, why can't I this, what is that? And you can spend more time yelling and screaming at them than you are actually at the store. So here we go guys, I will be back in a few minutes. Alright guys, here we are at the cooking spray. Look at all of the different options of cooking spray you have. It is crazy the number of options. So depending on what you're looking for in your taste, you have olive oil, sunflower oil, there's avocado oil, there's coconut oil, so many different choices. But you want to make sure you're looking at the ounces and the prices on the bottles. And depending on type of cooking you're doing will determine what olive oil you want. Alright, so we have here, we're going to compare these two. You get 4.94 ounces for $5.39 versus the PAM for $4.99 for 5 ounces. So that's what we're going to go with. Alright guys, here's a quick, easy breakfast option. Is yogurt. So look at all the different options. We like the Greek yogurt and we're going to go with the vanilla. $3.79 for a super easy, quick breakfast. Add some chocolate chips or fruit. You got a delicious breakfast for less than $4. Alright guys, we finished our grocery shopping. I got one extra thing because I want to make some beer bread. But we stuck to our shopping list and I got milk too because I don't remember, I didn't write milk down. But here's my list. I think I did pretty good, minus the milk and the cider for the beer. So we'll see what it comes up at the register. Hey guys, so we did it. The bill came to $45. If we would not have gotten that cider, the bill would be under $30. So amazing job at the grocery store. My top tips for you guys is don't take kids with. Okay, they will distract you. Number 2 is use a small shopping cart or a basket if possible. Because the bigger the cart, the more you're gonna buy. Okay, it's just the way our brains are. Oh, I have to fill my cart, so there we have it. Use a shopping list. Take a shopping list, whether it's on your phone or on a piece of paper like me. Use a shopping list and make sure you know the layout of your grocery store. This might sound really, really dumb and stupid, but if you know where things are in your grocery store, you're not going to spend time browsing the shelves and looking for the stuff that you want or you need. Instead, you're going to be looking at the things that you think you want because your brain will play tricks on you. Also, don't go to the store hungry or thirsty because then you'll end up buying things that you don't need. And, just keep your mind focused. Like, I have to get home. I'm on a time frame. I have a tight budget. Like, just keep those in the back of your mind as you're shopping, and you will have a great shopping trip by saving money and staying under budget. Hope this helps. Bye.